I'm getting nowhere with that. They're all clapped here on the west.
Push bad.
They're so clapped on west here.
That's my Judy here. Be careful where a lot of people.
We should be able to push that big choke here.
Yep.
Push on west here. Push on west here.
Push him back, people.
Look at Slide Panda. Can anyone get the kill on
Slide Panda here. Slide Panda here.
I almost got it.
They kill the people inside of us.
Kill the healer on the...
Punish tanks hard.
We can push guys. We can push guys.
Punish that Hellion?
Yeah, they reset already. They reset already.
Good 64. Guys, be careful.
I'm looking for a cap here. Oh wait, no. I'm looking for a cap.
I got two guys.
That's my Judy.
I'm looking to get your picture.
Okay, they're pushing out.
Engage now.
Yeah, they're gonna try to stop my cap, guys. You guys should have postured there for my cap.
Yo, Terry. Look at Terry.
Hold punches.
Can we get this cap and like posture so that we can actually get it? A melee go cap or something?
We're getting out-routed right now.
Yeah, I have to do a contest.
We have like no cap, bro.
Yeah.
Like, you guys need a posture so I could have gotten that mid cap. I almost had it. Their tanks.
We need to push down this.
Yeah, I really need to push it.
Look at this perma. Look at this perma down the ledge.
We need a reason for the choke, like...
Judy here on the front.
Huge pressure here, boys. What the fuck?
Guys,
Huge pressure.
Look at this blazing.
You can push guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pushing no what's that. Nice. No, come back. Their tank already have
Logic
CG.
is deep.
I've been punishing those Hellions.
They already have support for it, guys. Nice even song.
12 and now came to.
Look at this fire. Yorkers. Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Judy on the choke.
We have some range DPS sneaking up the side.
We can push down here now. We can go down now.
Yeah, we can push now. Now it's our time to push. They already use cleans.
The home camp member here.
Some heals on laundry. You'll definitely want Mimic as your ability, guys, on your arcanes. And you're looking to mimic,
We get heals on me, one number off.
Fly.
What you got logic? Virgin's here, watch out.
Clocking's in our backline, boys, be advised. And a healer actually. Lock shot, if you can turn a lock shot, now's the time.
Okay, I'm capping out.
Look at Angie. Look at this perma. Angie, Barra pillar.
That's our G stuff.
I'm getting nowhere with that.
Look at
We have
this
3 caps. We have 3 caps now.
Shit.
I'm getting contested. Nowhere. There's a fucking perma here on your back. Watch out, guys. There's a fucking perma here. Yo, I got contested by Avalonian.
You're down here?
I'm good though. Full mid.
They're taking mid cap. Can anyone push through and prevent that?
A lot of.
We're full out, we're gonna reset.
Okay, we're
Yeah, try to stop them from getting mid if we can and bot.
Permafrost is contesting. I can't.
got it already.
Okay, I got
Maybe we can get ready to get bot.
Yeah, I can get to it. I'm getting it.
You guys have pressure. I have 2 RDPS. Yeah, we have pressure.
I kidnapped
Some
the
people
tank.
go to big choke.
We can't push up the little choke.
Yo, go big choke. You're gonna climb and die then.
Judy on the choke.
Look at Sly. Fight
the ones inside us. Fight the ones inside us.
Big choke is free. Big choke's free.
Oh shit, that was not good.
Push up.
Yo, they have 2 RDPS. Not even in the fight. My skill falls here.
I got a fire ray for me here. Oh my god.
Is it on the choke?
You're adding.
Look at the.
You're adding southeast.
We can go down, we have some pressure.
We need to get some cap.
Just don't
Play
play.
front to back here.
Yeah, I'm being on the place
We need to win the
Look
fight.
at logic inside us, guys.
Like, if you're not playing a
Yeah,
super
I'm
crucial
I'm gonna get
role,
their cap. I'm gonna get their cap here.
yeah, if you're not playing a super crucial role, you need to like go for cap.
There are players within you. You guys should be eating right now. That's why we have a bow and crossbow. If you're playing the bow and crossbow, that's what you want to do.
There's a bit of space up there.
We can't just let them keep the caps. Like, not gonna work.
Like, look at
can't have them, they're
there's
here.
a fire in the back.
You don't think
Caps for the red. We should win the fights.
Yo, I'm getting home from this. Yeah,
Yeah.
they already have all the caps, guys.
Smoke.
We get at least one cap.
Alright. We're getting like full wiped here. We need to reset this.
Yeah, let's reset the full reset this.
Killed that like fucking 2.5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I know. I just don't know why nobody made like gotta respond to that. Head towards home cap. We'll walk out together. It's 24 to 26 right now. They
I'm just putting out like I'm getting like even 2 to 3 people contesting, and they are all ADPS. So you guys need
Should be winning
Because
those
we
we
fights.
probably
yeah.
need another light swarm. Can I have you join Negrillo?
to. I think we should rotate maybe. Rotate northwest.
Yeah, we're not going to push this little choke here. That's not going to happen.
No, that won't work
No,
well
no.
for us if we do that. It's very far away. This is the choke.
Yeah, I'm
we
getting
have to fight.
pressure up.
This is terrible angle.
Go ahead and. This is.
Pump and go.
No, there's no way you're getting to that little choke down
I
there.
think I
There's
beside
no
us
way.
right now. Wow, this actually sucks as a choke. Yeah.
I tell you, there's no way. It's not possible.
Careful, we're bumping hard here.
They just need to walk through and then we can like clap them.
I'm just distracting their home. We should bounce.
Against a good team or any other team, they're not going to walk through.
Yeah, and we are missing points.
Yeah,
guess
just
we
seriously
have
back
to
up.
go.
No, reset.
Wow, that choke.
They
is-
shouldn't come through that
We need to
choke.
rotate in that situation.
Yeah,
We can't fight them there. Like,
Exactly.
No one can fight anyone there.
just go like northwest side or something while they're all bobbing down there. Just rotate.
Yeah, let's rotate that way. We're headed towards
Send our rat
northwest.
southeast.
Light
They
swarm,
probably
go
did that
with
mechanic on
Negrillo.
purpose.
What's up?
Yo, who's
Go
doing
with-
that? Like,
Go with
I'm
Membrillo.
always alone.
I can't hear you.
I'm gonna try to
Ah.
cap northwest, but
Go with Membrillo. Light swarm, you're ratty now.
They're here, they're here.
We need the rats.
We need
Yeah,
to
just-
get a couple
just
more
putting them
bridges for the elderly group.
Teams are 5 on each
Let's
other.
be careful.
They're not ready.
Play front to back now.
We had the camera.
Yep.
Oh no.
Look at this fucking carving inside of us. He's in leather.
Judy?
That was huge, guys.
We
Nice.
put so many in the back line.
Yeah, I know. We should have pressure here. Just stabilize, just stabilize.
We're on.
They're coming on us now. Just hold and avoid damage.
We're about to
Get there,
get
get the near one.
Yeah, now we can push.
Please, please.
You lost a lot of people here.
Let's kill a quarter.
Dragon Ball with this. We get boost, dude. Look where he's
Yeah, look at Boost. Look at
like,
Boost.
how is this guy not dead?
I know.
Like, this is what's going on.
That's our duty.
We trolling out here.
Oh my god. You guys, that was huge.
Yo, I
Perma
have
coming
4
up?
in the gap. I have 4 in
We
our
can turn on this guy, come on. Yeah, we will.
There we go.
Judy on you guys? We can hold him. We can hold him.
I think you guys can push down, like, only if you...
H, kill H.
They're taking a top
Yo,
cap.
they're wrapped to our home cap, be advised.
Okay, we can push now, guys. We can push now, guys.
Someone interrupt our home cap, please.
Nice. Yo, I have like 4 people.
Yo, if you're in the tent, shoot the guy capping our home.
Yeah, punish them for this. Punish. Now let's get a ton of capture. Let's get a shit
Yeah,
ton of
full push, guys.
I
Watch
can't
out
do
for
solo fight this guy. The fire.
I'm getting mid.
I don't mid.
Yeah.
Someone come to home
Someone
cap.
cap. Someone cap.
Yeah, we need our home cap. We need mid cap.
I'm getting mid. I'm getting mid. Nice, nice. Our mid. Our com. Our com.
We should get mid cap and home.
Yeah, just come mid, guys. Come mid, guys.
We should get southeast as well. One
Only
person
three.
can go for that.
Come mid.
Kill beam please. We should cap southeast too.
Alright, good.
Don't dismount him. Don't dismount him. Give him a cooldown.
Yeah, close me, it's only if you.
Are we in the center now?
Firm on these two. Down.
Yo, alone, you watch out, they're behind coming here.
Careful against
Yo,
you.
light from northwest.
I'm gonna come to this. A good big clip and beat. Watch out on small turret.
Look at
Carry it.
look at Boost here.
There's so much stuff, there's so much stuff.
So who's in the back now? Carry.
Hold the choke, hold the choke, guys. Hold the choke, guys.
Don't step down, guys.
We just have to hold, guys. We just have to hold.
Yeah, just hold. We had 3 caps. Someone's reading southeast. Someone's reading southeast.
They're coming up Big Bridge. They're coming up Big Bridge here.
Yeah.
We're being flanked at the north.
Yeah.
Get this mini.
Yo, if you spawn, interrupt the guy capping our home cap. If you spawn, interrupt that guy, please. I'm getting southeast.
We can win this fight hard.
I can't interrupt home cap again. Guys, we have our reps there.
Nice.
Big firm up, big firm. Oh, fuck y'all. Look at this crossbow.
That's our duty. You gotta keep JJ out.
The red home,
We're lost.
Holy.
Good fight, guys.
Do you think this game mode is supposed to be played like fucking 2020 mid, or you
No,
just
no, no.
form 5s and just go and cap, you know, single caps, you know? It's like, I don't think we're playing even correctly. Like, you can just out-rotate, like if
It's
the team
definitely
is
something to
trying
think about here.
I gotta go for the like scrims for the this.
So, JJ did most healing. He did 250 compared to 170. What was JJ's build here?
It's nature.